We are back at it again here with another video at the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with TRKA continuing to fight to hold support. We're going to break down what's going on within today's volatility, but TRKA stock was not the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well, and our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator at 1:20 p.m. and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, and our newly released flow bot sent out a bullish flow just a few minutes after on the SPY at 2 p.m. and full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with TRKA doing a full transition from dark green bars yesterday to today's dip area of white with red borders. Now, we're going to talk about what's going on here within the charts, our inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. And also, we're going to briefly touch base on short interest. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Netflix bot. Our Netflix bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:26 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, into the bell, and after the bell, and call options went up 150% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with TRKA doing a full transition from dark green bars to white with red borders. Now, the last date that we did this full transition was back here on Thursday from around 41 cents to white with red borders, the dip area as I like to call it, down here at around 25 to 26 cent area. Now, if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the rips from the dips to the rips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with TRKA under a bear indicator since way up here at around 35 cents, and outflows dominated until yesterday, and quickly after that pop up to 27 cents, that inflow faded and outflows are dominating again since yesterday at around 23 cents. We rejected up here at around the after hours, and here we are hitting the dip area again, and TRKA is fighting to stay above the support of 20 cent area. Now, in yesterday's video, I got asked a great question in the comments section, and I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below about this data, but this is the most recent data I could find. And I stated earlier in the video, I'm going to touch base briefly on the short interest, and this is what it is so far, guys. In the last month, as you see it there popping up, it has gone up for TRKA stock nearly 3x. And from the last report, which was 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks and a half ago, to today, right? In the most updated that we see there on 310, it has nearly gone up 2x, guys. So short interest, as the stock has been falling, has been going higher, and that's something to not ignore. Now, it's going to be interesting when the next release date comes in the next few days, but this is the most updated I can find. If you guys have Ortex data or Fintel data that is closely related to these numbers, comment down below, or what is it you're seeing on your end? I would love to discuss that in the comment section down below. And what do you think about this short interest and where the stock is right now? I look forward to seeing those thoughts down below as well. So as we see it here on the 30-minute, we're under a bear indicator since up here at around 34 cents. Outflows continue to dominate, and inflows are trying to pick back up here. They're really close to the midpoint, and on the 15-minute, we could see here the same thing going on, and we have a bull indicator here at around 20-cent area. So 20 cents, in my opinion, is a pivotal support based off the history of the chart and also the strength here where it needs to reside, right? Because if we go ahead and zoom out, that's where things started to have strength and roll up into the end of February and the beginning of March. And here we are back down near those levels. So the first thing I would watch here to the upside and to the downside is the support levels, right? And if you zoom out to the 1 hour, the outflows are dominating. I would like to see these inflows try to pick up and get towards the midpoint. And the first support I would watch is 20 cents, guys. And we're in it, right? 20.97 between 20 and 21 cents. But 20 cents is the first support. Below that is 18 cents. And below the 18-cent area, I am watching 15 cents. And I would look at how these outflows actually react. And do they pull further away from the midpoint to the downside? That's going to be crucial. Now, to the upside, I would like to see these inflows pick up, try to cross that midpoint, and also reflect that strength here in the chart of these inflows picking up on the 15-minute, holding true this bull indicator and pushing up that reflection of possible strength into the chart to test key resistance levels. And the first resistance I am watching is up here at around 23 cents. That is going to be crucial, guys. That's where the rejection happened in today's pre-market. I would like to see that staircase effect start to form. These inflows pick up, start reflecting that strength. And in the process, if 23 starts to turn into a support, the next resistance is 25 cents. And I would like to see this bear indicator get canceled by a possible bull indicator here on the 30-minute. And I would watch if these inflows can start to slightly pick up here on the 1 hour. Even if it doesn't cross the midpoint, try to pick up, start getting closer to it to eventually see if it could cross it as well. And I would like that bull indicator from the 15-minute to roll over into the 30-minute and get these inflows up on here as well. So these are the key levels I'm watching to the upside and to the downside. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. I'm going to watch these bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflows very carefully. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.